Welcome to my channel friends. Today I am presenting a very informative video about living room styles. So first one is minimalist living room design. Minimalist style is characterized by simplicity, clean lines and a monochromatic palette with colors used as an accent. Next is cozy living room. Cozy living room means a room that is comfortable and warm. So we will add fire pit in room to make it warm. Next is open concept living room. Open concept homes feature one or more common areas such as a living room, dining room or kitchen combined into a single large space. Next one is Scandinavian style living room. The Scandinavian style of interior design is popular for its simplicity and minimal approach. With a rich blend of soft hues and texture, it creates a cozy and warm feeling. Next is Boho chic living room. A free-spirited aesthetic that mixes different culture and artistic expression into an eclectic style with an emphasis on organic elements and nature. Next is mid-century modern living room. The mid-century modern design was all about minimalism, clean lines and simple forms while incorporating more color and pattern compared to its modern predecessor. Next is rustic living room. Rustic interiors are defined by rigidness and letting natural beauty shine. The focus is to create a relaxing atmosphere by highlighting the use of wood, stone, leaves and other organic elements. Next one is luxury living room. Luxury to any living room is all about focusing on premier materials like silk, velvet or leather for curtains and upholstery. Next one is coastal living room. Coastal design style includes natural materials like wood, seagrass and rattan as well as a color palette that incorporates shades of blue, green and sand. Next is farmhouse living room. Farmhouse living room are homey, warm and nostalgic, timeless, often featuring central fireplaces, decorative ceiling beams, shiplap walls, barn doors, vintage style lighting, these and neutral palettes. Next one is contemporary living room. Contemporary living room is a space that incorporates current trends, minimalism and clean lines to create a fresh, uncultured look. Contemporary design is a constantly evolving style that borrows from other global styles such as Art Deco, minimalism and modernism. Next one is eclectic living room. Blending old and new, incorporating pieces from different periods and styles, an eclectic home will always be entirely unique. Feel free to mix things up and tell your story through vibrant gallery walls and collections. Next is high-tech living room. High-tech interior designs combines modern technology, for example, touch screens, smart sensors, to create functional and human-centered spaces. Next one is Art Deco living room. Art Deco interior design is identified by several key characteristics like this style is known for its use of geometric and symmetrical patterns. Bold, vibrant colors are a staple of Art Deco design and clean, streamlined shapes are a distinctive feature of this style. Now next and last one is traditional living room. Today, traditional style can include a mix of old and new, bold colors, vibrant patterns like floral patterns, antique and contemporary furniture and much more. Friends, please like, share and comment on my video. Thanks a lot.